Hello, future global professionals. Today's lesson is going to be on graphs and trends, and we're going to start out describing upward trends. And I have introduced for you some useful terminology. Please repeat after me. Increase, increase, rise, rise, upturn, upturn, climb, climb, improvement, improvement. This is useful terminology that you're going to use when describing upward trends. You're going up, upward trends, right? Let's go ahead and review some terminology when we have to describe downward trends. And as you can see, downward trends, we are actually going down like this, right? So here's some useful terminology. Decrease. Decrease, it's an important word when describing downward trends. Drop, drop, downturn, downturn, fall, fall, and worsening, worsening. All right. So there's a situation here going on in the following graph, and this is where sales remain at the same level for 3 months. So in order to describe a situation like this, you will need to use phrasal verb level off. You can say sales leveled off for the last quarter. Leveled off, rate remained the same at the same level. Level off, right? The next situation we have here is when we hit an all-time high. And this situation we describe it as peak. So we can say that sales peaked at, and then you describe the number. Sales peaked at 145 units in March. Sales peaked at 145 units in March. Peaked at. All right. The next word that I have for you is the opposite situation. This is when your sales reach an all-time or an all-year low, which is the opposite situation. And in this situation, we're going to use the phrasal verb bottom out. Bottom of sales bottomed out at 45 units. In March, what happened here is that sales bottomed out at 45 units in March. All right. So let's go ahead and review here. We have 5 different situations. Your job is going to be to try to remember some of the terminology that we used here. Okay, let's look at picture number 1. Picture number 1 describes an all-year low. All-year low. And what is the right word for this? Yes, bottom out. Bottomed out. Sales bottomed out at 45 units. Okay, situation number 2. Sales are going up. They're increasing, so we're describing an upward trend. Okay, can you tell me the 5 words we learned for upward trends? The first one, increase, climb, a rise, an upturn, or an improvement. All right, practice makes perfect. For the next situation, situation number 3, we're talking about an all-year high. So that will be 145 units in March. And we describe this as a peak. So sales peaked at 145 units in March. Situation number 4 is a situation in which sales remained the same for 3 months. Leveled off. Leveled off. Sales leveled off. Excellent. Situation number 5, sales are going down, so we're describing a downward trend. 5 words for downward trends. A fall, a decrease, a downturn, worsening, right? Some of the words that we can use for situation number 5. Okay, so as I'm going to be explaining later, I'm going to help you how to use these phrases using the adjective and noun forms, adjective and adverb forms. But for now, I want you to get familiar with the terminology describing upward trends, downward trends, leveled off situations, bottomed out, and picked at. Okay? So practice makes perfect, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.